Welcome to another Platzer Media tutorial for the Magic Site Builder. Always go to platzermedia.com. You can choose your language, your local tech support number is here 24/7. Depending on country you're in, this will be the best number to call. It's free, and you sign in here or you create an account there. Okay, we're signing in, and here is a number, a account number. We're logging in, and here will be warnings or suggestions or whatever for your account. And now we're gonna edit this website builder. You have all your products. That's the page you land on. And then you have account settings over here, various settings to check. Okay, we're gonna click on this one and we're gonna edit that website. And here we are. Now you can click anywhere in here, or you can click anywhere in here to move ahead and do what you want to do. So we're going to add a PayPal button on one of these pages. Here we have the pages. So this is where we want it by the application when you apply for an apartment or whatever. So here we have some downloadable move-in checklist survey application form like that, so it fits right in to put a new section here. Add section, and we're going to add a section where we can here we have different choices of different things to do. So we want to have listings, whatever. There's a lot of choices, and the more are coming because we are still developing this product. PayPal button, how about that? Sounds right. So here we have a few different set of product service and collect donations. Okay, so we're selling a product, right? We're paying for a service or whatever. Okay, so we're gonna pick that one. And here it is. How about that? But it's not a walking tool. So you can change it here to whatever, or you can change it on the right side over here. It doesn't really matter. And I mean here, let's see, yeah, that's fine. You can set your price, or if it's a random price, then you probably have to, then you should use a donation button. Anyway, so there's a photo here. Let's see, we scroll down and see other choices. Here you have the price, and then we have description. But, you know, so you can edit all this and change it. And here's the product image. So we'll take a look at that. You can adjust the positioning and size of it, zoom in, etc. You can change it. Click on it. You can upload an image here, or you can go through your own database, or you can choose stock image. It's all included, but you probably have your own, so you use that. Okay, and you can delete it. Delete. See, now it's gone. And you have this different here. Now, PayPal button. Okay. Then you gotta put in your account, your PayPal email address that your account is with. and you can choose your currency depending on what country you're in working from. Okay, that's pretty much all there is to it. And now I'm going to delete this. So we have this here, you can move it up, move section up. I click on it, now it's above the previous section. You can change the layout. Well, I click there, you'll see what happens. Then we have these other layouts for donation. Now that I eliminated the photo, it doesn't show in the choices here. So anyway, and settings over here, the three dots, duplicate section, move section. You can move the section to different pages if you want. Well, we'll take a look at it. See, here are the different pages. So I can move it to, if I move, let's say I move it to Chicago. I have another tutorial on that, moving sections, you know. So now I went to moved, we have moved to Chicago. So now I go to Chicago. Okay, now I'm in Chicago. And we'll see it will pop in at the bottom typically. So we go to the bottom here. Here it is. So, and then I can move it up wherever I want to place it on the new page. So that's pretty flexible. Okay, but we're not going to have this, so we're deleting it. Delete. So now it's all back to where we started. That's it. Simple as that. Thank you very much. See you later.